Hello, and welcome to Chicago Post Construction Cleaning Experts, Chicago's #1 post-construction cleaning company. With more than 15 years' experience in post-construction cleaning, we can provide you with quality, detailed cleaning techs to help on any project or establishment. Did you know any size construction project generates an immense amount of hazardous dust from what lays on the surrounding surfaces to what's floating in the air? These particulates will embed themselves in all corners of the new building or home and will make the space appear dull and dingy, as well as negatively affect its indoor air quality, which can affect you and your loved ones. So, protect your family and establishment today. And schedule your next cleaning online or call us at the office today to speak to one of our customer service reps. We would like to discuss what you have going on, and I'm most positive that we can help. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.